Hello beautiful people, thank you for joining us. Good morning. As you can see, this is morning. I came to wet my Ugwu and I found out that the germination process has begun, and I wanted to show you. Come and see some Ugwu. See, this is Ugwu here. Okay, this is Ugwu here. All right, so I'm going to wet it every morning. I do wet it every morning and evening. Okay, Ugwu is a tropical plant. They need a lot of water, and I observe this place is cracking, so one Ugwu should be coming out very soon here too. Okay. Wow, beautiful people. I can see some Ugwu here. Oh. See, oh. You see? This is one, and this is another one here. See, this is another Ugwu here. This is another Ugwu here. So, wow, our Ugwu is coming out. These are the sesame plants. I planted them near the Ugwu. I pegged them. I planted 5 Ugwu, so this is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will go and see the last one. Okay, let me get some water. Manala, let's go. Wow, beautiful people, another Ugwu is coming out here. This is Ugwu. This is how it looks like. This one is wheat. This is how it looks like. This is Ugwu. You can see coming out. I planted about 2 or 3 seeds here. So Ugwu loves water. So beautiful people, thank you for watching. I'll be showing you from time to time how the germination process has begun. As you can see, they are coming out. In some few days from now, you see the green aspect of the Ugwu, you know. So we'll be showing you how the process is and how we are going to use it to prepare 1 or 2 sweet recipes. Okay, thank you for watching. Watch out for our next video where I'll be showing you more of this. Bye bye.